Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in school. I just dropped the kids in school today. My hair is so messy. Oh no! The school is very near the house. Oh, careful!
Okay. There's a boat.
We're gonna pull down the stairs, so you have to be careful.